Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Five Nights at Freddy's surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Five Nights at Freddy's surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to line up the corners just like this. And I'm going to give it a nice fold, just like I'm making a birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and I'm going to give it another nice fold like I'm making a bookmark. Now, when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing at. And then I like to turn my paper this way, so when I open it up, it's like a nice surprise. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with Freddy. So what I want to do is I want to make his face, and I'm going to begin with the mouth first. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a nice line that's just going to curve up and down. And then we're just going to curve up and down again. Now, right here, I'm going to make his nose. And then right here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. And then I'll make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to make two lines across for the eyelids. And then I'm going to make a circle inside each one. And then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Now, right above here, I'm going to make a line for the eyebrows. And then I'm going to make another line that goes over and down. Same thing here. It's going to go over and down. And I'm just going to color in this so we have a nice dark eyebrow. So I'm just going to color this part in. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, up. It's going to go up, and it's going to curve around. It's going to come down and then go right to here. I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to curve around for an ear. And I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and curve around for an ear. I'll make that same shape inside of here. Same shape inside of here. Then I'll make two little lines to connect it. Next, I'll make a little rectangle shape like this, and then I'll make one that goes all the way to the top, because there's not a whole lot of room, and that'll be his little hat. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down. And then I'm going to make three little black dots on each side. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and then up. And then I'm going to make a little line across here. Right here, I'm going to make a circle. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come in. It's going to go out and back up for the bow tie. Same thing here. We're just going to kind of go in. We're going to go out and then back in. And then we'll make two little lines here. I'm going to draw two lines down. And a little line that curves around. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down for the shoulder. And same thing here. We're going to go up and down. And we'll make two little lines to connect it. Then I'm just going to bring this line down a little bit. And we'll bring this line down a little bit. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we have it opened up, we have two halves of our Freddy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down on each side. And then I'm going to connect it straight across with a line. Then I'm going to bring this line up on each side. And I'm going to connect this with a line across. Next, I want to add some teeth. So I'm just going to add some kind of like squared shaped teeth right across here. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to add some squared shaped teeth right across the mouth. Now, I want to put a few Five Nights at Freddy's characters inside of here. So first, I'm going to start with Bonnie. So I'm just going to begin by making a little oval shape for the nose. I'll make a line down. Then I'm going to go out and bring it up. And same thing here. I'm going to go out and bring it up. I'm going to curve a line around. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and up. And I'm going to add some little lines in here for some teeth. Next, I'm going to add a circle for an eye, and then another circle for an eye. We'll make the lines across for the eyelids. And then we'll make little dots in here for the pupils. I want to make a line that's going to come out and in. It's going to go out and in. Then we're going to go up and around here. I'm going to put a couple little dots on here. Then I'm going to make the little eyebrows right up here. Next, I'm going to make an oval shape for an ear. And I'll do the same thing here. And then I'll make kind of like a pointed circular shape at the top with two lines here. I want to make a circle inside each one and an oval inside these. Then I'm going to make a little circle here and then two lines for a bow tie. Next, I'm going to draw Foxy over here. So I'm going to begin by making two circles for an eye. So I'm going to make one circle here, and then another circle right here, really close together. I want to make an oval shape here. Then I'm going to make another oval shape right around here. I'm going to make some little sharp teeth in here. Then I'm going to curve a line right around here. I'll make two lines down with a line across. And then we'll put some more sharp teeth in there. I want to make a line across here with a little pupil. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up on each side. And then I'm going to bring it in, a little dent in there. Then I'm going to put a couple little hairs on there. Then I'm going to make some eyebrows above here. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes out and in, and then out and in. For the hair, we'll do the same thing, out and in, and then we'll go out, won't really see much, and then just connect it to here. Then I'm going to draw two lines right here for the eye patch. I'm going to make an oval shape, or kind of like even an egg shape, for the ears. We'll do the inside here, and then two lines to connect it. And then we'll make 2 lines down here and 2 more lines for the neck. Now, the next one I want to draw is I want to put Chica over here. So I'm going to draw Chica right here. So we're going to begin by making the circle for the eyes. So we'll do 1 here, and we'll do 1 right here. We'll do the lines across. And then we'll go ahead and we'll put the pupils in there. I'm going to make a little curve, and then a line that comes down on each side. And then we'll go across. 2 dots for the nose. Then I'm going to make a line that comes down, over, and up. And then I'm going to make some teeth in there. Make a line that's going to go down, over, and then up here. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to curve around and come down. I'll make 2 lines for the eyebrows. We'll make them a little darker. We'll make a little bump for one of the feathers. 1 here and 1 here. We'll make a little line down. And we'll make a little line that's going to go down and then up here. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to add like a couple pieces of pizza flying out of here. So right here, I'm just going to add a little line that's kind of like a triangle shape. Then I'm just going to add a little curve around here with a circle and a little line down. And then I'm going to put some little circles on there for some pepperoni. And then over here, I'm going to make the little cupcake flying out. So I'm going to draw a little line across. I'm going to make a half circle. A line down, over, and up. Then I'll put 2 little lines here for some teeth. I'll make 2 circles for eyes, and I'll put the little pupils in there. And then I'll make some lines coming down. A little rectangle for the candle with a little flame on top. Next, starting here at the teeth, I'm just going to draw a line down. And I'll do the same thing over here. Got to jump over a few things. And then I'm just going to connect these lines right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Five Nights at Freddy's surprise fold. So when you have it all closed up, you have Freddy right there. And then when you open it up, his mouth is wide open. He's got his little characters popping out of there. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.